Hello everyone, you're welcome to simplify this math problem without a calculator. So we have 65 to the power of 3 plus 30 to the power of 3 divided by 65 to the power of 3 plus 35 to the power of 3. So we can let A be equal to 30 and we can let B be equal to 35. So this means that A plus B, this is the same thing as 30 plus 35, which is equal to 65. So we can substitute these letters in this equation so that now we have A plus B to the power of 3, then plus we have A to the power of 3, then divided by, here we have 65 to the power of 3. So this is A plus B to the power of 3, then plus, here we have 35 to the power of 3, so plus B to the power of 3. Now we have that A plus B to the power of 3 plus A to the power of 3. This is in the form of x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3. This is the sum of two cubes, which we can express as x plus y multiplied by x squared minus xy, then plus y squared. So from the equation here in the numerator part, we have A plus B plus A cross the parentheses. Then here we have A plus B squared. Then minus, we have A times A plus B. Then plus A squared. Cross the parentheses. In the denominator, we have the same. This is the sum of two cubes. So we have A plus B plus B, cross the parentheses. Then we open the parentheses here. We have A plus B to the power of 2. Then we have subtract B multiplied by A plus B, then plus B to the power of 2. Now, here we have A plus A. We have 2A, then plus B, cross the parentheses. And then here we have A plus B to the power of 2. This is in the form of x plus y to the power of 2, which we can express as x squared plus y squared, then plus 2xy. So applying this identity, then we have, this is the same thing as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, subtract a times a here, this is a squared, minus a times plus b, minus ab, then plus a squared, divided by, now in the denominator here, we have a plus b, so this is a plus 2b. Then here we have a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Then subtract b times a, this is ab. Then minus b times plus b, this is minus b squared, then plus b squared. Now, in the numerator part here, we have 2a plus b. And then here, if we check here, we have a squared minus a squared. This simplifies. So that now we have a squared plus b squared. Now we have 2ab minus b. So this becomes plus ab, cross the parentheses, divided by, in the denominator here, we have a plus 2b. Then here we have, now if you check here, we have b squared minus b squared. So this simplifies. Then now we have a squared, we have a squared here, then plus b squared. Then we have 2ab minus b. So this becomes plus ab, close the parentheses. And if you check in the numerator, a squared plus b squared plus ab, And here a square plus b square plus mb is the same. So we can simplify this so that now we have 2a plus b divided by a plus 2b. Now, if you recall, we are saying that let a be equal to 30 and b equal to 35. So we can substitute these values. Therefore, substituting the values of a and b, here we have 2 multiplied by a, which is 30, then plus 35, divided by a is 30, plus 2 times b, which is 35. So this is equal to 30 times 2, this is equal to 60, then plus 35 divided by 30 plus 35 times 2, which is equal to 70. So here we have 60 plus 35. This is equal to 95 divided by 30 plus 70. This is equal to 100. Now we can simplify 95 with 100 here. 95 divided by 5. This is equal to 19. 100 divided by 5. This is 20. So we have here, the solution here is 19 over 20. So this is the solution here. Kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified whenever we upload some new videos. Thank you.